Welcome everybody to the Sin Adventure. I'm James Showers, cleanest name in the biz, and we have Cuddles, all angry over there. Oh wow. Well, guys, we have a big box of Grizzly Naturals. I mean, it's heavy. Let's turn you around, downward view, check out what's inside this box. Cuddles, you still mad? You guys already know what's happening. We're looking down at a box. I brought this knife this time. Oh yeah, watch out. And we're going to go ahead and cut this open. Okay, let's check out what we got. I think I'm opening this upside down, but that was the top of the box when it came to me, so yeah, I'm sorry if I bumped that camera. Okay, we've got a Citrus Storm right here, Arctic Birch, Bergamot Trail, Grizzly Mocha. We get a classic pine tar. We get a cozy cabin. We have spicy lemon, a vanilla musk. It's sunny citrus. We have boozy grapefruit. Boozy grapefruit. All right, we have cool breeze, black licorice, fresh rapids, sage mountain, bergamot trail. Sweet. And it looks like I have a few samples here. I don't know if. Those smell pretty good. I think this is a shower steamer, to be honest. Dude, look at that thing. That's a chunk. Oh, that might be a shampoo bar. A shower steamer. Man. We got more scents. We got turmeric tropics. We get the fresh rapids. Herbal mint. Ooh, I bet my wife's gonna love that one. And we get a relaxing rosemary. Also got some hand and body lotion. This is coastal coconut. Got face wash with hip rose and argan. This is a cypress shore. And we get lakeside lime. This is a natural shampoo. And blueberry. Okay, let me smell this one. I don't know why I've been into blueberries lately. That smells pretty good. Okay, nice. Oh, that's gonna be cool. Blueberry and lime. You could do dude. I'm pretty stoked on these actually. Let's move all this out of the way and let's see what we got. All right, that is it. Look at all these soaps, man. And we've got some face wash, we've got some lotion, we got the shampoo, the conditioner, we've got a few deodorants, and I believe this is a shampoo bar. And I'll have to find out what scents these are right here. Maybe these are conditioner bars or something, I don't know. We'll take a look at all of this, obviously, in another video. What do you guys think about Grizzly Naturals? I mean, if you guys are really into soap, you'll have seen ads for these guys. They've come onto the scene in the soap communities. Quite a few people have ordered them, and a lot of people have reached out to me and have asked me about this. Asked me about this brand. So that's what actually got me curious, and I started taking a look at their site, and I like that they're actually making all of this stuff in-house. These guys are making all of this, right? This is not custom order stuff. This is not blended by someone else. Made in-house. Two brothers. Okay? I like that. I always try supporting actual crafters and makers. So I'm excited to try these guys. Let me know if you guys have tried this in the comments down below. Share your thoughts and experience with other people down there. And if you have not tried them, what scent or what product here is piquing your interest? Also, of course, let me know if you guys like unboxing videos like this. Are these cool? Should I continue doing them as I get products in, or should I just stop doing that altogether? This channel is basically for you guys, the soap addicts, the scentaholics. You already know who you are, but share your thoughts and we'll make it happen. Guys, you already know what to do. Hey, Cuddles, you want to say goodbye to everybody? There we go. Maybe she'll bite me on camera. There's Cuddles. Cuddles, you want to say hi? Cuddles. Alright, guys, you already know what to do. You like, you share, you subscribe. And Cuddles and I will see you on the next adventure. What do you think, Cuddles? Yeah. Alright, let's go. See you guys on the next adventure. Peace.